What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we are here at the Aria checking out a room tour. Let's get into it. All right, so when we first walk in, immediately to the right is gonna be our wardrobe. You have wardrobe 1 with the luggage rack, a nice little shelf to put your purse, room key, and other small things there, a dresser, and your second wardrobe that has the robes, another luggage rack, and of course the shelf on top. When we turn to the left here, we're greeted by the bathroom, which has a sliding door. I really like the sliding doors for the bathrooms. You have 2 sinks, a privacy door for the toilet, and then this is cool. This is their shower and their tub all into one section. Let's check this out. So it's a smaller tub, but I do like the fact that the shower and the tub are in the same spot. I feel like that's utilizing the space in the bathroom. And then of course they provide you with body wash, hair conditioner, and shampoo. And then there's a hook for your towels and stuff. I actually like that too, because I feel like a lot of hotels don't have the hooks right next to the shower. And then of course, if you open up the privacy door, you're greeted by the toilet, which is a really funny thing about the toilet is the fact that there's a phone right here, and it literally says, for phone rates, please see information near the main phones in your guest room. So over here on our right is a full-length mirror, and then here on our left is the main living situation. So we have a desk, the TV, 2 chairs, 2 nightstands, the bed, and over here we also have their mini bar and their mini fridge, which again you do have to pay for. So literally don't touch it unless you're planning on paying for their mini bar rates. But they offer water and snacks. It looks like potato chips, cookies, gummy bears. I don't know what the last 2 are, maybe some type of trail mix. But you also have your ice bucket and a couple of cups, so that's nice. Same for the fridge, it's a mini bar. Once you remove an item from the mini bar, you will be charged for it. So be very careful, and you can't add your own things to the bar. And then of course we have the 2 chairs over here and the telephone there. Let's check out this view. Where do the curtains separate? What the, I think it's, is it remote controlled? Oh, okay. All right, so you guys have a switch here before you enter the main room to control the blinds. So you can open, close them, and then they have sheer curtains and blackout curtains available. So let's open up the blackout curtains. That is so cool. That is so freaking cool. I very clearly have never stayed here before because I'm like in awe right now. Okay, so that was the blackout curtains. Now we're gonna open up the sheer curtains, and you could stop either one at any time you'd like. So while that's opening up, let's check out our view. That is so funny. I was genuinely so confused. All right, so if we look down to the right, we could see one of Aria's pools. Aria has 2 pools on their property because they also share a lot of their amenities with Badara. And then if we look up, we could see some parking garages, Park MGM, Mandalay Bay, the W, Luxor, Excalibur, part of the T-Mobile Arena right there. So that's really neat. You can also see the Allegiant Stadium, which I think is a nice touch. All right, you guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have ever stayed at the Aria. This was my first time here, but it definitely won't be my last. I really like these rooms. I think they're very nice. I would definitely stay here again. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!